Guys, look at this. Steam hygiene. I've poured loads of hot water in, and look, it's cleaning all the suds out. Look at all the bits in there. I've got 1 minute left because I've just spent a lot of time doing that. Oh. Okay. Wait, my jumper shot. That's my pajamas, I think. I know they're my pants. Guess we'll just turn it off. But look. It's cleaning all the suds out. Yeah, guys, never fill it up above, I would say above here. No, actually. Just for safe reasons, I would say never above there. But if you really did want to push it, no higher than there. Because I think that's where the overflow thing will kick in. I've seen it kick in, I've seen it go up to here before. But this is a big drum, so you know. It's on Steam refresh. No guys, this is not a fault. I've poured super hot water from there, into there, into there. And yeah, look how steamy everything is. Look at all the bits that it's taking out of the little sides. This is actually really good as well. You know why? If you look on YouTube, guys, you might say that, you know, if you own an older washer, you might complain that, oh no, it might break. But newer washers are very clever these days. A bit too clever, and I will be honest, but this is actually really good. I'm going to let you listen to it, guys, and then it's going to drain within about 1 more minute, so I'm just going to let you listen, guys. So yeah, enjoy. Oh, okay, it's draining now. So now, look at all the, wow. In my opinion, this is like one of the, like, you know, I can actually feel the heat through the protective glass quite a bit as well. So that must mean that water is extremely, extremely hot. So it might not unlock. So it's nearly done. At least it doesn't just finish. Seems like it waits until it's completely empty. So now you can see it. And it's gone. Alright. I'm putting it on a spin. Alright guys, Matt. Yeah, so you see how it's all steamy? So now it's cleaned. Now it's not gonna clean as well as if you did a clean and descale and put it on a really, really hot wash. But if you wanted something quick, then that's the way to go, guys. So yeah, so now it's just gonna cool down the drum. Just so then it's not too hot, because I bet you, I have a load here. So now it's draining. It's draining in progress. Okay, I need to sort out these clothes, guys. So while you watch this, I'm going to sort out the clothes just to make sure they're all inside out, because I don't want anything breaking of my clothes, because, you know, if my clothes, you know, like all the, you know, like my no face t-shirt that I showed you in the, I think that a few previous videos. Yeah, remember when I showed you how ripped the letters were? That's because they were not inside out. So yeah. So that's inside out. That is. So yeah, you're inside out. Are you washable? Don't worry guys, I'm just checking the tags just to make sure they're washable and all that. So, because I forgot to do it before. I completely forgot. And I've just remembered now, so... right, that says 40 degrees. My school jump... Oh, wait! Here we go. I've been looking for this tag for ages. 60%. Oh, I'm not keeping the camera straight. It says wash as synthetics. Well, we could. It can go up to 60 degrees. So it's doing a balance check now. So you see now, guys, it's balancing. And by the way, I am sorting out the clothes, by the way, even though you cannot see it on my camera, but I'll just quickly show you. I'm trying to keep the camera straight as I possibly can, guys, so, you know. Because my bone's twisted like that. Because I'm meant to put this finger on, just to stop the lower left, like here. Like here. I had to put my finger on that bit of the phone, like here. So I have to hold it, and then with this phone I have to hold it like that. And you can see it doesn't look like a good position, does it? But I'm doing it for you guys. Alright. So while that spins, I'm going to continue sorting out the clothes, make sure they're inside out. You guys enjoy, and yeah, I'll just be quiet while you listen to the washer while I sort out these. Good luck, guys. Enjoy.
In the swimming pool, open today. No, Mr. Shannon. All right, great. Thank you very much. Thank you, bye.
Alright guys, see you later. Bye bye. Bye bye.